Welcome back to CraftFusion. Today, we're exploring 5 amazing DIY inventions that can completely transform your home. These creative ideas are simple, practical, and surprisingly satisfying to watch. Let's get started. Our first project turns ordinary materials into a beautiful and functional home decoration. It's easy to make and adds a modern touch to any room. The second invention is a clever space-saving idea that's both stylish and useful. With just a few simple tools, you can create something truly impressive. Next, we have a smart DIY project that combines creativity with functionality. It's perfect for anyone who enjoys building unique items by hand. Our fourth creation is an elegant design that looks professional but can be made using affordable materials. The final result is both practical and visually stunning. Finally, we have one of the most satisfying projects in today's video. This incredible transformation proves that simple materials can become something extraordinary. With a little imagination and craftsmanship, which invention was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more amazing DIY projects every week. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next CraftFusion video.